Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to transform any photo into a magical miracle outfit animation using PixVerse. Okay, let's get started. First, just open PixVerse. You can use either the web versions or app versions like this. And then once you're in, just simply log in using your Google account. And don't worry, PixVerse will give you free credits every day so you can generate amazing effects for free. And then next, just simply go to the template sections. Just tap on this one, just tap on it. And then next, just go to search bar and search for miracle outfit transformations. But in this tutorial, because I already find it, this one, this effect, so I will just tap on it like this. And then next, just tap on use template like this, and then just upload the photo that you want to transform. You can use maybe a portrait or a selfie or any fun picture. Just upload the photo that you like this, and then next, just simply tap on create. This one, just tap on it. It will take 30 credits, and then just go back, go to mine, and wait for the process. And okay, your video is ready. Let's try to play it. Okay, like this. PixVerse automatically apply the miracle outfit effect, and the result, I think it looks so good. It looks so incredible like this. It's so stunning outfit. I think you will see the outfit changing and sparkling in truly magical way like this. The transformations also looks good like this. And okay, it's amazing, right? If you next, you can just save it directly to your device by tap on download button, or just share it directly to your social media. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.